Hi friends, welcome back to our channel VU YouTube. Today's video is all about the fantastic ways to spend your weekend in Dubai. We started by going to Dubai Mall, which is a great place to hide out in the air conditioning in the summer. So for the weekend, it's the perfect place where you can visit this world famous mall. It's located right by the Burj Khalifa, so it's a bit of Dubai sightseeing hotspot. You can easily spend the day exploring the hundreds of shops inside. In Dubai Mall, you can also visit the world's largest aquarium. Yes, Dubai has an underwater zoo with walk-through tunnels which are perfect to admire the various species of marine life. You can enjoy and also dive in the Dubai Aquarium. How cool is this way of exploring this underwater zoo, right? One of the most exciting things to see in Dubai Mall is surely this Dubai Dino. Also visit these human sculptures at the Dubai Mall's waterfall, which has the most gorgeous view. This is truly the magic of the indoor water feature because these human sculptures that is spreading hands sidewards and appearing downwards to the waterfall just looks beautiful for the pictures also. The water feature is also known for its immense size where it's visible to viewers from the mall's 4 floors. In Dubai Mall food court, please try to get your hands on Albek, which took me almost 2 hours, but trust me, when you taste the food, it is so satisfying and affordable meal as well. Later, I ended the first day of weekend by watching this Dubai fountain. For the next day, that is the second day of the weekend, we went for two cruise at Creek. The most cost-effective way to travel between the two places is to take Abra, which is also known as water taxi. For Abra, you require only 1 dirham to travel between the two sides, and you can enjoy the sea breeze and the scenery. It takes about 5 to 6 minutes and is very convenient to pass Dubai Creek to the other side. Now we reached Abra station of Dera Creek side and going towards our Duo cruise that we have booked. The most important things that makes Creek 2 cruise attractive is that you get to see the beautiful sides of the Dubai. You can see the historical part of the city and architecture of the past as well as souks, palaces and heritage village. On the other hand, we can also see Dera side of the city where we get to see the prominent buildings including Dubai Chamber of Commerce Ruler's Court, National Bank of Dubai, Sheraton, etc. This is how it looks on the first floor of the Duo cruise. All the tables are arranged with good distance of about 2 meters from another table. The evening is entertained with good music, magic show and Torana show. You can enjoy the show with unlimited soft drinks. After the show, we can enjoy our international buffet featuring vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes. There is good varieties of dishes from sweets to Manchurian, fried rice, dal, hummus, kabos, salads, sweets, fruits and non-veg fish, mutton, chicken, starters with biryani and fried rice, noodles, everything. This is the view inside the Duo cruise with lots of light, music, TV, such a lively vibes. This is the clipping of another Dokros passing by ours. Hope this video was helpful to plan your weekends as well. Always do what you love and love what you do. Don't forget to like, share, comment and of course subscribe. Thank you.